The cloud journey for Nissan Greece started in 2010, where we decided to move away from local applications and launch a global one for Greece that would connect all the dealers and all of the clients in one central home. We had many obstacles from the dealers trying to avoid moving to the cloud, but day by day they realized that the whole game was getting cheaper for them. The clients were more happy because their data were transparent, technically wise to all the dealers. Then they were experiencing the same level of service and quality. Greece is a small country, and dealers are small dealers. So none of them had the capacity to manage their own IT. Their IT expertise was very small, so they were paying a huge amount of money for that time. And plus that whenever you want to roll out throughout Greece, instead of hours, we had to try for months to do that rollout. We have to go door by door and tell them what to deploy, what to develop, and never was exactly the same. So we decided to run a cloud solution that we're going to roll it out, we're going to host it, and we're going to manage it. And all of a sudden we found a new world that any rollout, a new development was taking just a few minutes to be rolled out instead of weeks, months, and with no problem at all. The second success was that the dealers realized that they don't have to invest in technology. They were paying us a premium for our services as infrastructure, and they had everything in their hands. They don't care about if they're gonna lose their PCs or where it's gonna be. The cloud environment was there for them. The data was there for them, and they had support from day morning till day night, even weekends. So they realized a new ecosystem of success and service levels. Another major advantage was that they didn't care. They didn't know how to take backups. They didn't care about backups. They don't care about support because they pick up a phone, they ask a question, and since we see their environment, we can fix it next minute. Previous to that, the technical support was, okay, I will take care of you in 5 hours, or I come to your premise next day, or I'll come in 3 days. If the dealer was in an island, I'll come next week. So the next week with the next minute is a total different world. That was the biggest, one of the biggest benefits. Another one is that we roll out a new directive from Nissan Europe, a new process, and it's exactly the same throughout Greece. And no one says that, I have the old one, cannot satisfy the customer. So they know that all the dealers have the exact same level of support and quality of services. They have the updated catalogs, they have the updated cars. We run online availability of cars, first come, first serve, so we don't fight over the phones. I order first, you give the car to another client. We have, the same thing happens with spare parts. All these tiny details end up to a fantastic model for Nissan Greece. So the next steps from our team is to think a hybrid model, private cloud for at least the financials were very sensitive for their businesses, and a hybrid cloud for all the business part of selling cars and spare parts.